Hello, today I will guide you on how to create a channel on Discord. Channels help organize communication by topic so members can easily find and participate in relevant conversations. First, make sure you have already created a Discord server and that you are the owner or have permission to manage channels. Step 1. Create and set up a new channel. Click on the server name on the left panel. Hover over either text channels or voice channels and click the plus icon next to it in the pop-up window. Choose text channel or voice channel. Enter a channel name. Toggle private channel to restrict access to specific members or roles. Click Next to proceed. Step 2. Assign permissions and finalize. You can now assign roles or members who can access the channel. If you don't want to assign permissions right now, click Skip. The channel will be created and you can edit it later by clicking the Edit Channel icon. In the settings, you can add a channel topic, description, manage permissions like who can send messages, manage the channel, or use voice features. For voice channels, you can enable microphone, video, or screen sharing. And that's it. You now know how to create organized, topic-specific channels for your Discord server. Great for communities, study groups, or gaming teams. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.